Moin Moin from Hamburg. I'm Joshua, Field Application Engineer at TRINAMIC. Are you looking for a pin-compatible product for the A4988? We at TRINAMIC have just the right solution for you. The TRINAMIC motor driver TMC2208, and we will show you just how compatible it is. I have here a setup with the A4988 Polulu StepStick running a motor. Let's see what happens if we replace it with the TRINAMIC TMC2208, leaving all other parts the same. Wow, that was easy. And it even runs more silent and smooth. The TMC2208 is available at your local distributor. For more information, find an app note on trinamic.com. Tschüss und bis zum nächsten Mal.